take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. And a manufacturer has excess capacity and is considering a one-time special order. The order would not affect regular sales or increase fixed cost. Good, because we have excess production. Which cost should generally establish the minimum acceptable price for the order? Well, should we look at the full manufacturing cost, including allocated fixed overhead? Not needed. If we have excess production, the full production cost is not relevant. How about variable cost associated with this order? And the answer is yes. We always have to take into account variable cost. Short run, long run, variable cost. If you cannot cover your variable cost, you should not be producing. I would say at least you need to cover your variable cost, but let's take a look at C and D. Total life cycle cost of the product. Well, life cycle are more relevant to long run pricing decision. This sounds like a short run pricing decision because we have excess capacity and it's a special order. C is out. Variable production cost plus the company's normal profit margin. Look, earning the normal profit margin is desirable, but not necessarily required for a short-run special order, this is a short-run special order. So the normal profit margin is not necessary. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, in finance, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. On Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.